Good day everyone, my name is Justin Ferrer, and today we're going to talk about the standards-based assessment. I want you to think for a moment about the time you took a test. Was it a quiz from your teacher, or was it a big formal exam? Most of the tests you take in a classroom are designed by your teacher to see if you understand a specific lesson. But what about the bigger picture? How do we know if our education system is working as a whole? That's where standards-based assessment comes in. A standards-based assessment is a test that is administered and scored in a standard manner. It means the questions, the procedures for giving the test, and the way the results are calculated are all consistent, no matter who takes it or when. Its key characteristics are: number 1, the test items are the same or equivalent for everyone. Number 2, there are set directions for how the test is administered. Number 3, there are set procedures for scoring students' responses. This consistency is what gives the test its high technical quality. It ensures fairness and reliability. So, what is the core purpose of a standards-based test? It's designed to determine if students have achieved a specific, predetermined set of knowledge and skills. It's not about ranking students against each other. It's about placing them into categories like proficient or advanced, based on their performance against a clear, publicly known set of standards. So, why do we need this? These assessments are essential for ensuring a high-quality education system as it provides, number 1, accountability. These assessments help to monitor the entire educational system, ensuring that schools and districts are meeting their goals. Number 2, they improve the system. The results are not just numbers, they are valuable data. This information helps policymakers, administrators, and teachers make informed decisions about instructional practices and curriculum development. If the assessment shows that students are struggling in a particular subject or area, for example, it can signal that a curriculum needs to be updated or that teachers need professional development in that area. Number 3, they inform stakeholders. The data gives everyone, from parents to school administrators, a clear picture of what's working and what's needed to change. This allows schools to allocate resources effectively and implement new strategies to help students succeed. In short, they serve as a system-wide educational check. They tell us where we are succeeding and where we need to improve. Now, let's look at a concrete example of standards-based assessment in action: the National Achievement Test, or NAT, for grade 12 students. The NAT is a paper-based exam given to all grade 12 students in both public and private school. Its administration is a huge coordinated effort with specific roles for key personnel. We have the division testing coordinators who oversee the process, school heads who manage the test in their schools, and the room examiners who are the teachers that directly administer the test. This careful organization ensures that the test is given in a consistent and standard way. The NAT is composed of multiple choices questions that covers 21st century skills and a wide range of core subjects including languages, humanities, math, science, and social sciences. The NAT's importance is multifaceted, just like the standard-based assessment we've been discussing. First, it evaluates student learning. It serves to determine if our graduating students are meeting the learning standards set by the senior high school curriculum. Second, it improves the education system. The results provide critical feedback to the Department of Education, helping them assess the effectiveness of our educational services. This data informs policy, guides instructional practices, and helps identify areas for curriculum improvement. Finally, The NAT is a system-based assessment. It's not a prerequisite for graduation or college enrollment. Its primary purpose is not to pass or fail individual students, but to evaluate the health and effectiveness of the educational system as a whole. This is a perfect example of what a standards-based assessment is meant to do. A standard-based assessment can be effectively applied in values education by setting clear and observable standards. Instead of comparing students with one another, it measures how well each student meets established criteria, ensuring fairness and consistency. Through standards and clear indicators, we can objectively assess values. This approach also ensures alignment between teaching and assessment, making values education more structured, measurable, and meaningful in fostering character development. To wrap it all up, standards-based assessments are a powerful tool for progress and accountability. They help us to ensure that every student has the opportunity to achieve the same high level of learning, and they provide the data we need to continuously make our education system better. Thank you for listening. Bye!